and world history is launched. The bomb detonates far from the densely industrialized and populated target, but the devastation is still immense. Tens of thousands die instantly, tens of thousands more will quickly follow. However, the last-minute decision to change target sites means the bomb inflicted less casualties than predicted, saving untold thousands from incineration. Our next last-minute decision reshaped human history. June 28, 1914. Archduke Franz Ferdinand, heir to the Austro-Hungarian Empire, is on a public tour through Sarajevo. He's been warned that the Serbian nationals had hatched a plot to kill him, but in an act of unmitigated hubris decides to go through with the trip anyway. If that wasn't bad enough, his motorcade's route has been printed on every public newspaper. Unsurprisingly, Serbian terrorists hatch a plan to kill him. As the Archduke's car takes a turn, Gavrilo Princip and compatriots throw a satchel bomb under the Duke's car. The bomb, however, fails to go off immediately, and the delayed blast ends up missing the Duke entirely. Instead, it seriously wounds some of the Duke's entourage, who are rushed to the nearest hospital.
hætʃ, hætʃ, hætʃ.